In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link in Adobe Express. We'll walk through two clear approaches: adding a clickable button and turning regular text into a hyperlink. By the end, you'll know exactly how to point your viewers to a website, a form, a video, or any other page right from your Adobe Express web project. First, create or open your web page project. From the Adobe Express home screen, start a new design and choose Web Page. This format is perfect for simple scrolling pages, portfolios, and lightweight presentations. If you've already started a project, go ahead and open it so we can add the links directly to your existing content. Let's begin with a button. On the canvas, look for the plus icon, the Add button that appears where you want to place new content. Click the plus icon and select Button. A placeholder button will appear on your page. Click directly on the button to open its settings. Here's where you set the destination. Paste or type the full URL for the page you want people to visit. Make sure you include the correct protocol, usually HTTPS, and double-check that there are no extra spaces before or after the link. While you're here, give your button a clear label so people know exactly what they'll get when they click it, like Learn More or View Gallery. Clear labels improve both accessibility and conversions. Now let's add a hyperlink to regular text. Insert a text block using the Add icon, then type the sentence or phrase you want to make clickable. Select the exact text you want to turn into a link. In the text toolbar, look for the link or chain icon. Click it, then paste or type the same kind of URL you used for the button. Keep your link text descriptive. For example, "Download the guide is more helpful than click here." This makes your page easier to scan and more accessible for screen readers. A few tips as you wrap up. Use links sparingly and with purpose so your page stays focused. Keep all URLs accurate and up to date. A quick copy and paste from your browser is the easiest way to avoid typos. If you see an option to open the link in a new tab, choose what best fits your audience's flow. And maintain consistent styling so buttons and links look intentional rather than random. That's all you need to confidently add links in Adobe Express, either through a button or by hyperlinking text. Save your project, take a final look for clarity, and you're ready to share.